Multiplication. Introduction. Look at these 4 groups of pencils. Each group has 3 pencils. How many pencils are there in all? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals to 12 pencils, or 3 taken 4 times makes 12. Thus, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals to 12 can be written as 3 multiplied by 4 equals to 12. Or 3 fours are 12. When there is same number in each group, we multiply to find how many are there in all. X is the symbol of multiplication. Let us count the number of puppies. 2 added 3 times makes 6. 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. 2 is the number in a group. 3 is the number of groups. And 6 is total number. There are 6 puppies in all. Skip counting by 2s. Look at this number line and skip count on it by 2s. Write the number that you obtain in the circles given below. Multiplication table of 2. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 times 10 equals 20. We can also write it as 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 times 2 equals 6. 4 times 2 equals 8. 5 times 2 equals 10. 6 times 2 equals 12. 7 times 2 equals 14. 8 times 2 equals 16. 9 times 2 equals 18. 10 times 2 equals 20. We read it as 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Skip counting by 3s. Look at this number line and skip count by 3s. Write the numbers obtained in the given boxes. Multiplication table of 3. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 10 equals 30. We can also write it as 1 times 3 equals 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 4 times 3 equals 12. 5 times 3 equals 15. 6 times 3 equals 18. 7 times 3 equals 21. 8 times 3 equals 24. 9 times 3 equals 27. 10 times 3 equals 30. We read it as 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Skip counting by fours. Skip count by fours on this given number line and write the numbers obtained in the circles. Multiplication table of 4. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 times 10 equals 40. We can also write it as 1 times 4 equals 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. 3 times 4 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 5 times 4 equals 20. 6 times 4 equals 24. 7 times 4 equals 28. 8 times 4 equals 32. 9 times 4 equals 36. 10 times 4 equals 40. We read it as 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Skip counting by fives. Skip count by fives on the number line and write the numbers obtained in the circles. Multiplication table of 5. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 8 equals 40. 5 times 9 equals 45. 5 times 10 equals 50. We can also write it as 1 times 5 equals 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. 3 times 5 equals 15. 4 times 5 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 6 times 5 equals 30. 7 times 5 equals 35. 8 times 5 equals 40. 9 times 5 equals 45. 10 times 5 equals 50. We read it as 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Important. When we multiply two numbers, the number which is being multiplied is called multiplicand, and the number by which this number is multiplied is called multiplier. The answer that we get is called product. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 is multiplicand, 7 is multiplier, 35 is product. Properties of multiplication. 1. Multiplying by 1. When we multiply a number by 1, we get the number itself as answer. Example: 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 4. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 1 equals 4. Any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. 2. Multiplying by 0. When we multiply a number by 0, the product is always 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. 3. Multiplying by changing order. When we multiply two numbers by changing order, we get the same answer. Example: 7 times 3 equals 21. 3 times 7 equals 21. Thus, 7 times 3 is equal to 3 times 7. Multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Let us multiply 124 by 2. Step 1. Arrange the multiplicand and the multiplier in the hundreds, tens and ones columns. Step 2. Multiply 2 with the digit in the ones place in the multiplicand. 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. Step 3. Multiply 2 by the digit in the tens place in the multiplicand. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Write 4 in the tens place in the product. Step 4. Multiply 2 by the digit in the hundreds place in the multiplicand. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. Write 2 in the hundreds place in the product. 248 is the product of 124 and 2. Multiplication of a 2-digit number by 1-digit number with regrouping ones. Let us multiply 16 by 4. Step 1. Arrange the multiplicand and the multiplier in the tens and the ones columns. Step 2. Multiply 4 with the digit in the ones place, that is 6. 24 ones equals 2 tens, 4 ones. Write 4 in the ones place and carry over 2 to the tens column. Step 3. Multiply 4 with the digit in the tens place, that is 1. 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4 tens. 4 tens plus 2 tens is equal to 6 tens. Write 6 in the tens place. 64 is the product of 16 and 4. Multiplication of a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number with regrouping tens and ones. Multiply 74 by 5. Step 1. Multiply 5 by 4 ones. 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. 20 ones equal to 2 tens, 0 ones. Write 0 in the ones place and carry over 2 to the tens place. Step 2. Multiply 5 by 7 tens. 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to 35. 35 tens plus 2 tens is equal to 307 tens. Write 7 in the tens place and 3 in the hundreds place in the answer. 370 is the product of 74 and 5. Multiplication of a 3-digit number by 1-digit number with regrouping hundreds and tens. Multiply 126 by 6. Step 1. Multiply 6 by 6 ones. 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 36 ones. Write 6 in the ones place in the answer and carry over 3 tens to the tens place. Step 2. Multiply 6 by 2 tens. 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12 tens. 12 tens plus 3 tens is equal to 15 tens, which is equal to 105 tens. Write 5 in the tens place in the answer and carry over 1 to the hundreds place. Step 3. Multiply 6 by 100. 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6 hundreds. 6 hundreds plus 100 is equal to 7 hundreds. Write 7 in the hundreds place. The product is 756.